Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to connect Power BI to BigQuery. Now all you need to do is first launch up Power BI desktop and then come here at the top panel, click on Get Data. And from this drop down, come here and select More. And once this pop-up loads up, I want you to go ahead and choose Database. Okay, and you can see here, if we go and scroll down, we should see Google BigQuery. Okay, go ahead and select this and then click on connect. If you don't see it, you can just search it up. So I'll hit here connect, and then all you need to do is go ahead and click on OK. Now these are the advanced options. These are completely optional. You don't need to do these. Okay, I'll click here on OK, and then we need to sign in. So there's two ways to sign in, either with an organizational account or a service account login. So for the service account login, you just enter your service account email and the service account JSON key file contents, and then click on connect. For the organizational account, just hit sign in. It will open it up on your browser, log in, and hit connect, and you're done. So that is how you connect Power BI to BigQuery.